I'm going to share how to replace a Microhard modem on the Wright Robotic ZK. Very simple. Just got to remove these bolts on the computer box. But before we do that, we're going to kill the power. There is two things you can do. Either to pull the fuse or disconnect your ground at the battery. This time I'm going to pull the fuse to work safe and secure. Then I'm going to remove my computer cover. After I remove my computer cover, I'm going to cut these zip ties that are attached to the internet cable. Then I'm going to use my wrench to crack these two connections side of the Microhard. Then I unscrew it. Nice and easy. Then I'm going to remove the Microhard bracket. There is two bolts, one on the top and one on the bottom. After you remove these two bolts, you get the cable nice and easy out, and make sure you clip inside to get the internet connected out. Okay, now that we got our Microhard out, it's very simple. We take our internet cable out, we take it apart, and we need to save the bracket. Now when you receive your part from Wright, it's gonna look like this. Inspect it first and make sure there is no damage. Okay, first we're going to install the Microhard. Okay, after we install the Microhard, we're going to put the internet cable. Okay, now it's ready. Let's put it back together. So I'm going to secure my Microhard first. Then I'm going to tie or connect the two antennas. These two doesn't matter, they go connect to the Microhard. So if you get confused, don't worry. And I make sure I tightly easy. Don't do it too hard, because you might break the ports inside the Microhard. Then make sure you run the cable properly into this direction. And you gotta hear that click. Then you gotta secure the cable by using a zip tie. Then we gotta add two more on the microhard. Make sure this one you do it like an X, and simple cut the end, and that's how we install our microhard. Make sure you attach one more to the PoE around this 45 bracket. And let's cut this. Now we already got our microhard installed. Let's put the fuse back. And we're going to make sure if we got power to our microhard. How are we going to do that? Simple. Just turn the key on. You will see lights on the microhard. Okay, so that's good. Now to test it, we need to put the cover back and make sure no cables get kink while you installing the computer box. Okay, now this is the time to take the mower to test. For the final test, after you replace the Microhard model, make sure you green light is solid and scan the QR code. Make sure your mower comes online. Simple. For the final test, ensure to make a small map.